Okay, so here we are. My body looks like shit. I know that, but it's now 5:30. I've been filming for 5.5 hours, 6 hours. Um, I'm running out of time. I'm running into another time commitment, so I need to get this off my body, which is a bummer because this is bullshit. However, I'm really excited and happy with the overall look. It's crazy because like this amount of detail and stuff, it's like I love stuff like this, but I like with a camera and I can't do it. Like I need to be like here. But I love this. I love Vanessa so much. I'm sorry, Vanessa, about the body. I didn't do you any justice here. However, conceptually, you were a genius, and thank you for letting me borrow your concept. I love you guys so much. Um, I mean, yeah, this is really cool. If you guys don't follow Vanessa, the wigs and makeup manager, absolutely. Her stuff will be down in the description box below. Do yourself a favor and follow her if you're ever feeling uninspired or not creative whatsoever. She is your girl. She blows my mind. She blows my mind. But yeah, but that's it. I love you guys so much, and definitely check out the merch and Vanessa and everything in the description box below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.